Let's take a look at some of your inline elbow options in Plant 3D. When routing pipe, your bends are going to be limited to the parts, or in this case, the elbows that are included in the spec. But you can also bend your pipe. So if you toggle pipe bend, you'll be able to enter some different bends by degree. And then you also have another option, which is actually going to put an elbow in, and that is your cutback elbow option right there. So within your part insertion panel, you have the option of your toggle pipe bends as well as your cutback options. Now we'll go ahead and we'll throw in a piece of pipe. We're just using a regular elbow here. And you see right now we're limited to the ones that we have within our spec, either a 45 or 90-degree elbow. If we hover over that, you'll see it's just a pipeline inline asset, or a pipe inline asset, I should say. So I'll go ahead, this time I'll do it without the elbow, and I'll only turn on the pipe bend. So this time we're just going to bend the pipe, and now I can still bend it, but you're going to notice there's not an elbow here. This is the entire piece of pipe, okay? So this pipe is just merely bent. Now, if we want to use a custom angle with an elbow piece that's not included in the spec, then we can go ahead and toggle on the cutback elbow. And now whenever we route pipe, we can go ahead and put in just about any degree that we want. And the difference you're going to see here is that you actually have, if you look at the properties here, it is a pipe inline asset. And then if you go down to the part geometry, it's actually going to give you the angle that you have a cut back angle. So these are some of the options that you have when putting elbows or bending pipe as you're routing.